A very good afternoon, one and all present here. So today we will be starting with the chapter. What we have done last time was we have completed till what do you say, the lecture number 9. So lecture number 10 onwards we will start with. Lecture number 10, what we are having is your CNC. So the part what was being remaining. So that will cover for the module number 4. So I'll just share the presentation. You just let me know that whether this presentation is seen on. Is it seen? Please students just let me know with the thumbs raise or in the kind of with the chat. There's the two option. If you are able to see, please let me know. Am I audible first of all? Everyone? Yeah, students? Perfect. Okay, so let's start with it. So the module 4, which is dealing with the CNC and having a lecture number 4. So lecture number 4, which is talking about the CNC. So in that CNC also, we'll be talking about the cutting tools. So let's discuss that one by one. So the first will be a CNC cutting tool, and the next we'll be discussing about the machining material. So which are the different tool material as well as the machining material we are discussing. After then, we'll see about the application. So what are the application we'll be dealing with in the case of the CNC, and then we'll be having a very small quiz. So now coming to that, we'll be starting with the CNC cutting tool. So CNC cutting tool, in that we are discussing the two type. One is your CNC turning tool, and another one is your CNC cutting tool, CNC milling tool. Okay, so these are the two things what we'll be discussing. So in CNC turning tool, what are the things we'll be having the small part in it? Is your rough turning tool. Next is your finish turning tool. Third is your boring tool, and then we are having a chamfering tool, knurling tool, parting tool, threading cutting tool, and the facing tool. So these are the types of what we are having for the CNC. We'll be seeing in detail little later. After then, we are having a CNC milling tool. So in the case of a CNC milling tool, we are having the flathead tool, bullhead, ball head, drill, slot cutter, threading tap, face cutter, envelope gear cutter. So these are the different types of the CNC milling tool what we will be discussing. So let's have a look one by one that what are these types. So what is the full form of CNC? CNC is computer numerically controlled machine. Computer numerically controlled machine. We have already discussed, I think, so CNC part 1 we have discussed for module 1. This module 4. Module 4 part 1 is already done. Module 4 part 2 we are doing. As there is no information about turning tool in the module. Yeah, I know there is no information in the about the turning tool. So that we have discussed it here in a very brief. So let's come to that. So now, when you talk about the rough turning tool basically when you see the diagram, you can understand that here the diagram is giving you that there is a huge gap between these two. Okay, you can see here there is a huge gap between these two. Basically, the roughness in the case of the rough turning tool will be more as compared to the finished turning tool. In the case of a finished turning tool, you can see that there is a gap little lesser as compared to the rough turning tool. And you can see these two diagrams, what it is giving you GIFs, what we are seeing, where here you can see that there is a rough, this turning is happening, whereas here it is very smooth one.